वेलकम टू द स्टडी पॉइंट चैनल। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे ओपेक। व्हाट इज ओपेक? मेरा नाम है साहिल। ओपेक बेसिकली एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है ऑफ पेट्रोलियम एक्सपोर्टिंग कंट्रीज दैट इज अ परमानेंट इंटरगवर्नमेंटल बॉडी जो कि क्रिएट की गई थी बगदाद कॉन्फ्रेंस सितंबर 10 से 14 1960 में बाय इट्स 5 फाउंडिंग मेंबर्स दैट आर ईरान, इराक, कुवैत, सऊदी अरेबिया एंड वेनेजुएला। OPEC members coordinate policies on oil prices, production and related matters at semi-annual and special meetings of the OPEC conference. These are the functions of OPEC members. What they do, they coordinate their policies on oil prices. They decide how much they are going to produce the oil, crude oil and related matters at the semi-annual and special meetings that they are organized under the OPEC conferences, etc. The term Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries OPEC refers to a group of 13 of the world's major oil exporting nations है। बेसिकली ये OPEC जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है वो इन्वॉल्व करती है जो कि मेजर वर्ल्ड एक्सपोर्टिंग कंट्रीज हैं ऑयल की, दैट आर 13। वो उसको कंप्राइज करके OPEC एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बनती है। OPEC Organization for Petroleum Export Countries was founded to coordinate the petroleum policies of its members and to provide member states with technical and economic aid. OPEC जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो कि इसके इनिशियल 5 मेंबर्स के द्वारा बनाया गया था जो कि थे इराक, ईरान, कुवैत, सऊदी अरेबिया एंड वेनेजुएला, that they provide their member states with technical and economic aid in regard to the extraction of new crude oil from their crude oil fields, etc. OPEC is a cartel that aims to manage the supply of oil in an effort to set the price of oil in the वर्ल्ड मार्केट है। ओपेक एक कार्टेल के रूप में परफॉर्म करता है, जैसे कि सप्लाई ऑफ ऑयल को कितना मेंटेन रखना है, उसको लो रखना है या हाई रखना है, बिकॉज सप्लाई एंड डिमांड आर इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू ईच अदर। if they in their special meetings or in their semi-annual conferences, etc. of OPEC, they decide how much the prices will be for the oil and how much they are going to produce annually or quarterly, etc., to avoid fluctuations that might affect the economies of both producing and purchasing countries. OPEC, which described itself as a permanent intergovernmental organization, was created in Baghdad in September 1960 by founding members Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia and Venezuela. OPEC जो कि एक परमानेंट इंटरगवर्नमेंटल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है वो क्रिएट की गई थी बगदाद में by founding members Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia and Venezuela. The headquarters of the organization are in Vienna, Austria, where the OPEC Secretariat, the executive organ of the OPEC Foundation, carries out its OPEC's day-to-day businesses, etc. Algeria, Angola, Congo, Equatorial Guinea, Gabon, Libya, Nigeria, and the United Arab Emirates joined the later the OPEC organization, and these are the later members of this OPEC organization. OPEC membership, OPEC की membership कैसे मिलती है? According to its guidelines, OPEC membership is open to any country that is a substantial exporter of oil and share the ideals of the organization. OPEC की member open है सभी countries के लिए that is the substantial exporter of oil and shares the ideals of the organization. Other than finding members, OPEC added 11 additional member countries as of 2019. That are Qatar that joined in 1961, इंडोनेशिया in 1962 और लिबिया ने 1962 में ज्वाइन किया है, यूनाइटेड अरब एमिरेट्स ने 1967 में, अल्जीरिया ने 1969 में एंड मोर ओवर नाइजीरिया इन 1971, इक्वाडोर इन 1973, गैबोन 1975, अंगोला 2007, इक्वेटोरियल गिनी 2017, Congo in 2018. This was the last member country to join, that was the Congo 2018. And moreover, these countries that they joined later on after the foundation of OPEC, they have sometime abstained from joining, they have suspended their activities of the OPEC also. They have rejoined the OPEC membership. It's a open membership for the OPEC also. Advantages and disadvantages of OPEC. There are several advantages of having a cartel like OPEC operating in the crude oil industry. We have already studied about it, the advantages and disadvantages of OPEC. But moreover, we will sum up with this note. It promotes cooperation among member nations, helping them alleviate some degree of political hostilities. जो कि मेंबर स्टेट्स हैं ओपेक की, वो एक कोऑपरेशन के रूप में भी एक काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते हैं, जैसे कि जो इसके मेंबर्स हैं वो एक सेमी एनुअल और इस कॉन्फ्रेंसेस में मीट करते हैं, they help them to alleviate some of the political hostilities and their enmities also. And because the organization's main goal is to stabilize oil production and prices, it is able to exert some influence over production from other nations also. Now we will talk about disadvantages of OPEC. OPEC's influence on the market has been widely criticized for its manipulation of the production of crude oil in the market, or its manipulation of the prices of oil in the international market, because its member countries hold the vast majority of crude oil reserves, and moreover that is 80.4% according to the OPEC website. The organization has considerable power in these markets, so we can't compete with OPEC, and we have to be on mercy of OPEC. OPEC की दया पर ही पूरे वर्ल्ड को निर्भर रहना पड़ता है, क्योंकि they can manipulate the prices and production of the crude oil, and ultimately they are the last superior powers of in the oil crude market. As a cartel, OPEC members have a strong incentive to keep oil prices as high as possible while maintaining their shares of the global market. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, subscribe the channel The Study Point. Meet you in again in